Hello friends, welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today I am going to prepare chicken mappas. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin. Chicken cut into medium-sized pieces, 2 pounds. Potatoes cut into medium-sized cubes, 3 numbers. Onions thinly sliced, 2 cups. Green chilies slit, 6 numbers. Ginger cut into small pieces, 2 tablespoons. Garlic cut into small pieces, 2 tablespoons. Curry leaves, 2 sprigs. Coriander powder, 2½ tablespoons. Chili powder, 2 teaspoons. Turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon. Chicken masala, 2 teaspoons. Salt to taste. Oil, 2 tablespoons. Coconut milk thick, 1 cup. Coconut milk thin, 3 cups. Lemon, half a piece. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and add the onions with salt and saute till the onions turn pale in color. Then add the ginger, garlic and saute well. Add the slit green chilies, curry leaves together and saute for a couple of minutes. Next, add turmeric powder, coriander powder and saute well. Then chili powder and chicken masala and saute till well done. Make sure you adjust to your spice level, okay? Now, we want to add the chicken pieces and mix until the spices completely coats the chicken. Squeeze some lemon juice to this and mix well. Then close with the lid and cook for about 8 minutes. Stir occasionally. Add the second extraction of coconut milk and boil. Stir well. When it starts to boil, add the potatoes and cook till the chicken and potatoes are well done. Cook for about 20 minutes. When gravy thickens, add the first extraction of coconut milk and simmer for a few minutes over low flame. Our delicious chicken mapas is ready. Transfer to the serving dish and serve hot. Our delicious chicken mapas is ready. You all need to try this, okay? If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye-bye.